Hello, Skellyboy223 and welcome back to another video of Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts. I apologise for the noise that my Xbox is making, but it seems it only happens whenever I load the game up for some strange reason. But we're gonna have to put up with it for just this episode. So, I know I beat the game in the last episode, but I said that I was going to do a couple more episodes because the series would have been too short otherwise. And I'm going to be starting 2 more new series. One is going to be Skyrim, and one is going to be one. It's not really a game, but it's a little bit of work. It's not really a game, but it's called Sonic Randoms. And I can't say too much about what that is going to be, but I will be hopefully uploading the first episode of that today. I'm not sure when today, but I have to work on it first, and yeah. And the second new series I'm going to be doing is Skyrim. It's a new game that I got like the other day, and how could I say this? I don't know. I'm just going to be doing that, which I'll be uploading the first episode of that tomorrow at some point. We haven't even done number 1 yet. Get out of the way, you animals. Number 2 we've managed to done, so let's chuck ourselves into the Terrarium of Terror Act 1. I have done no missions in this world because it's so hard. I guess I'll give them another shot at. So, yeah. Apologies again for that noise that the Xbox is making, irritating me. Well, that didn't help you any at all. I can shoot the laser at you anytime. Or do that. Let's change your vehicle to banjo. Yay! This is also the the vehicle that you unlock when you beat the game, like I have done. Oh god, just get up. Stay there. Just talk to the thingy. And you also end up going, oh yeah, we have to drive this all the way to the top. This only conducts on wind power, don't it? We have to get to the very top as fast as possible. We also need to get enough jiggies so we can unlock the boss fight against Grunty in this world, so we can get the horn from her, because some of the some of the boxes in Showdown Town. Oh, come on! Yeah, some of the boxes in Showdown Town no, come on! I only just managed to save the car. Good thing it has these springs. Why didn't I think of that? We could spring our way up. I mean, this part is the more easier part, is driving around this bit. This is the more easier part of the level. And I believe I have to get to the top of this thing in time. We're in the jiggy time now. Quick! It's right there, we need to get there. So we need to hurry up a little bit, because we've wasted a lot of time already. Come on. There we go. We're so close to it, we're literally looking at it right now. I'm gonna risk it. Done it! I've done it! Just in time as well. Good job, Banjo. I'll turn this up a little bit because the noise is just not good. There you go, you should be able to hear it now. Now where's my car? Come to me, car! I need you! Because we've got some grunt bots to wreck! Boom! With our new prize position. Not really. It's just basically Banjo's face. Ow, damn it! I think it'd be a good idea to change the vehicle. Yeah, let's get the broomstick. I feel like that will do well. The hell? Yes, this is the broomstick. Smash! I don't feel like I should have went that way. I think I need more. I think the thing I need to add to this is more fuel. Like, I don't have that much fuel, which is a bad thing. I think this is the newest vehicle I have. Or that I've built. Oh god, that's the bad thing about that. Is it runs out! Ugh. Darn it. Let's get the racing car. Yeah. Let's get some speed in it. I might make a... This is the car that I used to beat Grunty's cat in a race against. This car won me that race. Boom! Wrecked. I don't know where we can find some more levels. Good thing we've got some grippy wheels as well. Oh crud! Oh god. Oh god. Come on now. Don't be doing this to me. What is your problem, mate? Like, come on. This bit we should be able to get up, no problem, because we have them grippy wheels. It's because we're too fast, that's the problem. Oh god, we nearly fell off the side. Whoa. If I feel like I'm going to fall off, I'm probably just going to jump out the car before, and the car will probably fall off and I will try to catch it. Oh god. It's getting narrower. But this leads to the top of the map. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god! No! No! Right then. No! Don't take me to the build menu. But I can tell you what needs dealing with. Still have that somehow. Yes, the broomstick. I would like to edit or add to it. We need quite a large field. 1, 2, 3. Right, let's test it out. See if it can survive a bit longer. Get the wings out and let's fly. Go! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, wings! Yeah! There you go, that flies a bit better. Now that we've improved it. So let's save it. Over this save because, well, this is the improved version of our broomstick. Which we needed the wings, otherwise it wouldn't fly properly. Whoa! Let's fly this around the map then. Hopefully, I think this is a little bit faster than my plane. By just a tiny bit. By a tiny bit, I think it's a little bit faster. Which is good. You know what? Let's just return to Showdown Town. Put the jiggy in the jiggo then, or whatever, and we'll see what I feel like from there. Oh, waiting for the loading screen. Waiting for the load. I hate loading screens, they're so boring. Even reading these are making me tired. Let's grab a jiggy. A big faithful jiggy. Probably won't unlock us anything. Sometimes the jiggies do unlock us stuff, but only sometimes. How much notes do we have as well? Because I might go stop at the shop to see what we can get from there. Pew pew pew. Onto you. Ow. Get back now. Also, I will leave a link in the description of this video to my third channel and my second channel, so you can check out some of the videos that I post there as well. Waboink! Hey look, it opens Jigosium Act 6, so I think we're gonna jump in there and see what it's like. Miffing. Come on, if I... Yes! I knew if I timed it right I would have gotten over. Let's go. Pew! Jump! This is what you needed the spring for. To get up to places like this. Huh. In we go to another boring loading screen, unfortunately. So yeah, go check out my other channels and also check out, I will also leave a link in the description to the shout out video that I've already made today. So check that out as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's change our faithful vehicle to something more suiting. Let's change it to a faithful plane, because this is the flying vehicle I mostly like to use. Oh god! Who's that over there? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, it's the polar bear guy. Well, let's go help him out then. Whoa. Bang. Yeah. Hello, polar bear guy. How can I be of service to you? Now it's going, Banjo. Fancy a game of darts? Now your average everyday game of darts? Absolutely. What do you mean? Throw yourself off the ski ramp and try and land in the score zone. I'll wait here. Up to the ouch. To the ouch, to the ouch. My hand is hurting for some reason. I'm going to create a vehicle that will be able to help me. I might try and recreate that dart vehicle that he had. Right, we need a seat. There you go. We need the power. I'm gonna chuck 2 random ones there. We need some fuel. I'm gonna chuck 2 fuel right here. There you go. We're gonna add a body. We're adding the body because that's the best thing to do. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's add the wheel. Naturally, we need to smack one there. Is there any pole-like things that I can put on? 1, 2. Now I just need the wheels. We're gonna have some hybrid wheels right here. 1, 2. 3. You know what? Let's get some engines into here. Let's get some more engines into there. Now let's see how fast this thing will go. Hi! Okay, it goes decently fast, but a little difficult to control. This is a vehicle that I'm just constructing for this purpose. So I think power and just stick some jets onto it. 1, 2. Right, let's see what it does with the jets onto it. Okay, I think this is good speed, so we're gonna use this. I'm not gonna save it because this vehicle is just for this challenge. So yeah. Right, let's beat him in a game of ordinary darts. God! Jump! Damn it! Move! Again, seriously, in the same place. Not even close. Right! I don't think the vehicle's working, guys. Oh! No! I like to quit the challenge and use a different vehicle because I don't think this one's working. Or I could try and add some more speed to it. See what some more speedy stuff does for it. We'll try and add some more speed jets. 1, 2, and then 2 more small jets. Right, let's test it out with the jetpack. Right, this makes it even faster. So now we should want to do it. I want to try and do the challenge with this vehicle. So I wanted to try and make it look kind of dark like. So now I'm ready. Here we go. Here we go. Speed is key. Oh, got it in 1:40. If I can just keep getting 40s like that, I think I can make it. There's a 75 over there. Here we go! Oh, another 40. I think another 40 and we've won it. Doesn't matter if we don't get the trophy as long as we get the jiggy. We failed. What? No, don't you friggin' dare! Yes, 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 that is a 50, that is in there. I've won it. Let's finish this off with a bang on 40. Decent. I'm not going to save this vehicle because I don't think it's worth saving. Thanks, buddy. Let's go. Let's go talk to wait, no, let's go talk to Trophy Thomas, because usually he gives us racing levels. And I always use my plane for them, so... Hello, Trophy Thomas, my friend. Someone just got wrecked. Well, I'm here to enter your race. I can automatically tell it's a race. The check may mark out the course I'll provide vehicle you just can't. No? Log dodgeball. So we have to use this one. Ah, oh, come on. Don't say I'm against someone else. I don't like being... These controls are... Mate! These controls are bad. I have to go left to go right, and then I have to go right to go left. This is bad. I don't like this. This vehicle has bad controls. I got 6 off. If I bash into the thingies, I'm screwed. Yeah, like that. I don't like the controls on this car. I want to go that way to go that way, and I want to go... Oh, crap. Let's take our time now. Take our time. Taking our time. We are taking our time. We've got this. We've got this. Why would you give me a car that has wonky controls? Like, I don't appreciate that. Didn't even know you could do that. This is a log car, so if I win the race, it means... Oh, crud. No! We're just gonna quit the challenge and not come back to that. But I'm going to end the video there, and well, I'm going to do some of these levels, or maybe all of them, off camera. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and all I can say now is goodbye.